Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to disable filtering on Telegram. Since the Telegram application does not have the feature to disable the filtering option, you'll have to use your browser in order to disable the filtering. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your web browser and then search for web.telegram.org. Okay? Now, click on the three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen and then click on Settings. Okay, now click on Privacy and Security. That one. Okay, now scroll down all the way to the bottom until you see the sensitive content. So you'll just have to click on this Disable Filtering. And that way you can be able to see all the contents on Telegram. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.